His first time was 122.588.
All right, just want to make an announcement. Anyone that had fire extinguishers yesterday, if you still have them, could you bring them over here to the DJ booth here, or leave them at Jared's trailer, please?
Any that you borrowed from the club. They seem to be missing quite a few. So if you did borrow a fire extinguisher, please bring it over here to the announcer's booth. See if we can get them rounded up.
All right, this is Harry Lance in 104, coming around the pond corner there. Getting pretty wet around that corner there. Maybe they're draining the pond. Through there, this is 104, coming in around here again, up into spectator area.
You're skinny enough so you can look around you.
Alright, down to the final steps down through there towards the pond corner. Alright, coming to the little tabletop there. Down he goes, up towards the finish, 104, Harry Lance.